Hello guys, have a good time. I am Behan and I am with you in the 10th Python language training session. In the previous session, I discussed the conversion of different types of data to each other. And in this session, we will also review the information retrieval from the user and a mini project. Well, let's go to the Visual Studio software and create a Python file. As you remember, in the previous sessions, we talked about converting data and how to print, etc. And now in this session, we will learn how to get information from the user, and we will do a small project of receiving data and converting it to another value. Well, to get information from the user, we use the input command, and now I will make an example of it for you. As you can see, we were able to receive data from the user and display it. So let's use what we've learned so far to implement a small project about taking data from the user and converting it from kilometers to miles. At the beginning of the work, we create a variable called kilometer and put the input command inside it. In order to receive decimal numbers from user, it is necessary to change the variable type of kilometer to float. In order for our data to be converted from kilometers to miles, we must write its mathematical calculations, which is a simple division, and store it in a variable called miles. To limit the decimal number, we use the round command, in which we must give the input variable inside the parentheses and specify the number of decimal numbers. Well, we write a print command to show the output to the user. As you can see, our project runs well, and the data conversion works correctly. Okay, we will finish this session, and in the next session, we will examine conditional expressions and I will teach you about it. Until the next meeting, I hope you have a good day.